to show you how to draw Nod from the epic movie. Step 1. Always begin with a circle for the head, then sketch the facial guidelines. Step 2. Sketch out the structure of Nod's face and make sure that the jaw is nice and squared off. You will then draw the parted hairline as well as the ear. Step 3. Using the face guide that you drew in step 1, draw out the eyes, then draw the nose, nostrils, and mouth. Add detailing inside the ear too. Step 4. Sketch out the eyebrows and draw in the eyeballs. You will also need to color the pupils as well as draw the lining for the left side of the face. Make the bottom of the lip and cleft above his lip. Step 5. Next, sketch out his hairstyle, which should be straight, sort of long, and even a bit wavy. Step 6. Add detailing to his hairstyle, then sketch out his neck, shoulders, and the lining of his shirt. Erase your mistakes if you made any. Then you are all done.